How to fix Chime account after too many login attempts. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is just stop right there and wait for about 30 to 60 minutes without attempting to log in, as repeated attempts resets the locker time. So I recommend you guys just stop, wait for a few minutes, and then redo it, right? So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply get into the Chime's website just like this instead of the application, and then in there what we're going to do is enter our email address, tap on get started, and if you do have an account, you'll actually be able to add in the password of your account. Simply tap on the forgot password option that you'll be able to see, and then follow to the email link in order to create a new password or reset your password, right? So after doing that, if it's still not working, then lastly I recommend you guys simply call the customer service of Chime support and just explain to them what is wrong. And of course you would also need the proof of your government ID. So simply do that, and just like this you'll be able to fix your Chime account locked after too many login attempts. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.